Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the creating writing skill topic, advertisement writing. It is a writing skill. Advertisement. Why? To promote business or sales. So to reach maximum people, done by corporate, government or any other institutions. These are the reasons for advertisement writing. So, what is an advertisement? An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, etc. or providing information about missing persons, pets, etc. There are two kinds of advertisements. They are classified advertisement, commercial or display advertisement. Let's see about display and classified advertisement now. Display or commercial advertisement, launch, promotion of a new product, example mobile, toothpaste, soap, cosmetics, car, etc. So, promotional advertisement is to increase the sale of goods, example mobile shop, automobile shop, furniture, showroom, apparel, that apparel means dresses, sweet shop, etc. We use display or commercial advertisement for opening of new shop, office, coaching center. Then when a new scheme is launched like Airtel, Big Bazaar, etc. we use commercial. Sales, example sales during Diwali, end of season sale, Flipkart, Amazon. Then promotion of an event. These things comes under display or commercial advertisement. Now let's see about classified advertisement. When a property like plot, house, shop, flat is for sale, we use classified advertisement. To let, means வாடகைக்கு வருது. Property, house, flat, on rent like that, we use classified. Situation vacant, when a company is looking for an employee, we use classified advertisement. Situation wanted, when an employee is looking for a suitable company, we use classified advertisement. For missing person or pet, automobile for sale, accommodation wanted, lost or found advertisement, matrimonial, bride or groom wanted, change in name, household goods for sale, travels and tours. These all comes under classified advertisement. Now let's see the format of both display or commercial and classified advertisement. The classified advertisement should be written in a box. Clearly state the category at the top. Example, situation vacant, car for sale, like that. We have to mention the topic at the top. Brief and concise. Concise means very small, minimum number of words. Written in incomplete sentences. The meaning should not be complete. It should be incomplete. Contact name, contact number and word limit is 50 words. Now let's see the format of display or commercial advertisement. It must be drawn on a full page. It should be drawn in a box. Must be visually attractive. That is, various font size can be used, bold or italicized to highlight important points. Can have pictures, slogans. Contact person's name and contact number must be mentioned. Proportionate spacing must be there. Then contact address must be there. Now let's see commercial advertisement or display advertisement. These commercial advertisements are inserted by leading manufacturers, establishments, organizations, etc. for the publicity and promotion of their products, services or some events. They use commercial advertisement. The main characteristics of commercial advertisements are designs for commercial purposes, more space, more expensive in terms of advertising cost, visually attractive, varying font size or shape can be used. These commercial advertisements are usually attractive with catchy slogans, punching lines, witty expressions, pictures or sketches. Special offers or discount if any can be mentioned. Details of the product or event should be given in a clear, precise way. Give name, contact number, and address of the advertiser. Present all the matters in a box. The main features of this advertisement is it must be very attractive with a catchy caption, heading or subheadings. Figurative language, we can use alliterations and metaphors especially. The proportionate spacing of fonts and different sizes font styles can be used. The language style, it can be colorful and lucid, catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expressions and pictures or sketches can be used. Proportionate spacing, the spacing should be monitored. Essential details. The name of the company, institute or organizers must be mentioned. Details regarding the product, event, educational course, etc. should be mentioned. Special offers of discount if any can be used. Address of the company, institute or organizers etc. must be mentioned. Let's see the format now. The advertisement must be written in a box. Heading, content. Take care of word limit. 50 words, not full sentences. Write in phrases. At last, you have to mention the contact. Now look at the model advertisement given below. The name, the heading is given there. It must be written in capital letters. Then offers or discounts we have to mention. Then the target audience, how much percent discount we have to mention. Then product description can be mentioned. At last we have to mention the address. Then borderline must be there. We have to use catchy phrases, appealing visuals. Now let's see some solved questions for advertisement writing. Miss Bright Vision has produced a new television named Home Theatre. Draft an advertisement for a local daily to promote the sale of the television. Offer a Kodak camera free along with the television to those who buy it before March 30. Let's see the advertisement now. Next example. On behalf of Jagadish Store, a leading supplier of furnishing material, draft an advertisement offering special Diwali discount on bed sheets and towel sheets. Let's see the advertisement now. Here are few examples for your glance for toothpaste and books. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel.